Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're all fine and well. And if you're new around here, let me tell you a bit about myself. I'm a teacher trainer, a speaker on English learning related subjects, and an author of English learning materials. Now, I'm also a guitar playing enthusiast. I love hiking as well, and I enjoy traveling very much. But one of the things that I enjoy most is creating materials for this channel, my English guides, because it's kind of a soul project for me. It gives me the opportunity to offer you free lessons and tutorials to help you improve your English or maybe pass your exams and to make learning effective and enjoyable to you all. So feel free to browse around, and if you find anything useful, subscribe, click the bell in order to be notified whenever I post new videos, which is pretty much every week. Feel free to comment and make suggestions or ask me questions, and you can also keep in touch with me through social media. I'm here if you need me, so I hope to see you around.